Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can copy the path of your folder or any file. So to do that, you just have to right click on that file or the folder, then go on show more options. Then you can see an option here. The option is right there, copy as path. So by clicking on that, you can copy the path of that folder. Just to show you, I will paste that path on the notepad just to show you that. You can see that I paste the path here and you can see the whole path is available here. So that's how you can copy the path of your folder or any file. So guys, that's it for today video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.